Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, parallels versus crossover. Which one's better? Let's find out. Parallels Desktop is a full virtualization software that lets you run Windows alongside Mac OS without rebooting. This means you can seamlessly switch between Mac OS and Windows apps without interrupting your workflow. It is ideal for professionals, developers, and power users who need a complete Windows environment. For example, software developers testing Windows-specific programs, designers using Windows-only tools, or gamers wanting to play Windows PC games on a Mac. Key features include seamless integration with Mac OS, support for Windows 11, and DirectX 11 and 12 for gaming, which ensures that even graphic-intensive applications run smoothly. Coherence mode is another standout feature, blending Windows apps directly into your Mac desktop so they feel like native applications. Its main strengths are speed, stability, and compatibility with nearly all Windows programs. However, it does require a Windows license and tends to use more system resources, meaning that you'll want a modern Mac with plenty of RAM, ideally 16 GB or more, to get the best experience without slowdowns. On the other hand, Crossover by Codeweavers uses a compatibility layer based on Wine to run Windows apps directly on Mac OS without needing a Windows license or a full virtual machine. This makes it a great choice for casual users or businesses that only need to run a few specific Windows applications efficiently, like accounting software, older office tools, or niche business apps. Its strengths are simplicity, lower system overhead, and a one-time purchasing price, which can save money in the long run. The trade-off is that not all Windows apps work perfectly, and performance can vary depending on the software, so it's worth checking Crossover's compatibility database before relying on it for critical tasks. Parallels offers a complete Windows experience with better compatibility and performance for demanding tasks, like gaming, heavy software development, or running multiple apps simultaneously. Meanwhile, Crossover focuses on convenience and cost efficiency for lighter usage, where you just need a few key apps without extra overhead. In short, Parallels suits users needing full Windows functionality, while Crossover is ideal for those who want specific Windows apps on Mac without investing in extra resources or licenses. Thanks for watching, and if you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Mac and Windows tips.